Hello, my star seeds. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your reading for 11/11 portal, which is on today. Okay, today is 11th of November 2021, and this portal is very big and significant for each of the star seed, light workers, twin flames, everyone, because this portal is bringing beautiful energies and opening the new doors. Basically your crown chakra is getting activated and the manifestation powers are being increased right now. That means whatever you are manifesting, that is going to manifest in your life very easily right now. Okay, so now let's see the messages what this portal 1111 portal is bringing for the star seeds all over the world. I hope it will help you out in some manner, but take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is not going to resonate with each of you. But I'll try my level best to deliver all the messages which I will receive. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for all my star seeds all over the world for 1111 portal. Please, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out to deliver the important messages for star seeds all over the world for 1111 portal 2021. Let's see what this portal is bringing for you. This message I am receiving again and again. Let's see what is the message. Right now you have to take rest also. Okay, rest and rejuvenate yourself. The first message which I received for you is sound healing, and this 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Right now you can do the sound healing. Okay, this is beautiful message for you here. You can do the sound healing. The second message for you is rest. Okay, take care of your rest, and there is a star here. Can you see? There is a star here, which is, maybe you can see a lot of rainbows these days here. Okay, do the sound healing, that will help you out in some way. You can listen also to the sound healing on the YouTube. There are a lot of sound healing messages, sound healing videos which is available on the YouTube if you are unable to do it on your own. Then you have to take care of your rest. Okay, maybe you can feel a lot of laziness or tiredness or sleeping things that you can feel like you want to sleep, then you can sleep here. Okay, take care of yourself right now. You require sleep. Okay, star seeds. Then there is beauty ritual, so you can do the beauty ritual. Okay, color your nail and go to the parlor, do the waxing. You have to do the beauty ritual here. Can you see how beautiful it is? Okay, let's see more messages for star seeds. Any other message you want me to deliver for star seeds? Meditate. This is beautiful. Okay, you have to meditate also here, star seeds. Meditate, and meditate on whatever basis you can. Okay, you can meditate the mantras, you can chant mantras, you can meditate on frequencies, you can meditate on chakras, but you need to meditate here. That's the message here which I received. Let me get one more message. Please give me one more message. Sweet treat. Okay, so you can have sweet treat for yourself. That means if you want to have cookies, cupcakes, fruits, toffee, you can do that. Okay, you can also cook or bake the sweets if you want to do that. So that's the message I'm receiving. That's beautiful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the messages for the star seeds from the star seed oracle deck. Big picture thinking, Palladian's energy, visionary, inspired ideas. 0440 is the recording reading time. See the picture from a higher perspective, and some of you star seeds here are watching can be the Palladian star seeds. Here you have to see the big picture thinking. Myself also, I am a Palladian Star Seeds, and being in Palladian Star Seeds, the first life lesson of a Palladian Star Seeds is that you have to see the bigger picture, see the perspective for a higher, see the picture from a higher perspective, and you are not for everyone. It's like I was seeing this thing in the morning only, and that's right. Starseeds, you are not for everyone. Okay, so you have to know this, that you are not for everyone here, and maybe you can having lot of inspired ideas, visionary ideas, visions. Okay, so you have to follow your intuitions and follow those things. Okay, let's see more messages here. The third message for you is lost land, soul memories, and gifts. You have done this before, and that's right. Whatever category of starseed you are, 0555 is the recording reading time. Whatever category you belong to, okay, whatever type of category you belong to, you have done this before many times in other planets, in other realms, in other universe, on even on this planet earth also. But right now you have those memories and gifts in your soul, in your DNA. Okay, so you have just lost those things because that's the only criteria. Once we have to born on the planet earth, we have to lose all those memories, but you have those memories and the gifts in stored in your DNA, stored in your gifts. You just need to open up and retrieve those things. Then there is breath of the cosmos, my will to thy will, micromanaging the universe. Just go with the flow, do not take the control in your hands. Okay, let the universe bring the things to you, star seeds. Okay, you do not decide that it has to do according to my will. Okay, once you do that, then you are creating restrictions. Okay, you will not be able to do the manifestations. Whatever you are manifesting, you are going to stop the manifestation. So you just need to surrender yourself to the universe, so that universe can work. Okay, and bring your manifestation into reality. Okay, now let's see one more message. Please give me one more message for star seeds. Wow, star keeper, cosmic ancestors, seed the light by staying grounded. You are the star keeper. Can you see how beautiful this is? I want to read this. Star keeper, this says, cosmic ancestors, seed the light by staying grounded. You are an ancient keeper of the stars. You are here to anchor and seed your light in your unique way. You have likely been incarnating on earth for some time, dedicated to an era of awakening and bringing about a long awaited shift in the planet's evolution. We are at a tipping point now. The survival of earth and all its species is coming to a head. The more grounded you remain during this transitional period, the more helpful you will be. The more you tend to the flames of your own heart, the more you love, you will anchor onto this planet. The wisdom of the star is imprinted in your soul, in your DNA. Okay, the more soul fragments you call home, the more this wisdom is seated here. You may call to be in different places in the world to anchor this light, perhaps by taking a trip or living in a certain location. You may also find yourself experiencing awakening symptoms. The more grounded you remain, the more stable earth energy will become and less reactive humanity will be. You are here for a double mission, to grow as an individual and as a part of larger collective that is bringing about a shift in frequency. Trust that you can be in the world but not of it, and lead a truly glorious light. So this is beautiful. You are a star keeper. You are here to spread beautiful things in life. You are here to do your own soul's growth, as well as to help the transition and the transformation and the ascension of the planet earth. So this is beautiful, star seeds. You are bringing these beautiful energies. This portal is bringing these beautiful energies for you. So let's see more messages for you. Let me make some space here. Okay, Let's see more from Work Your Light Oracle. Thank you so much for giving the messages. You can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, let's see. Please give me the messages for the star seeds. You need to align your life here. You need to ask that what is not aligned and what is the thing that you need to change. Okay, anything which is not aligned, that needs to go from your life, so you have to do that. And there is the initiation rite of passage, crossing the threshold hold. So that means you're crossing the bridge, you're coming towards, you're becoming more beautiful. I can say that you're crossing the bridge towards the light. Okay, you're coming out of from that tower moment and you're crossing that bridge and you're coming towards the light. Here at the end of the tunnel, here there is a light. So just doing the crossing of the bridge here, and there is unbound. You are releasing the soul patterns, contracts, and the past life contracts which you are having in this lifetime during this 1111 portal. So this portal will help you out in releasing the soul patterns, okay, contracts of the past lives of this. See, Pleiades, definitely there are Pleiadian starseeds who are watching this video or this message here. So you are here to release the soul pattern, the soul contracts, and the past life patterns in this lifetime, and this portal is helping you out to do that. Okay, then there is Pleiades, double mission, challenging and uplifting humanities. So as a Pleiadian star seeds, you are here on a double mission. I told you that you are here to do the channeling which you receive the downloads from the universe, and you are here to uplift humanity also. By doing that, you have to do that. But some of you are not doing your soul purpose. That is why the message is you have to answer the call. What is your soul calling you to do? There is a calling, the soul calling, which is happening for you. 12:12 is the recording reading time here. Okay, you just need to share your voice, come out of the cave, perception and expression. Can you see? This is the same picture. You are just crossing this bridge. You're sitting here and thinking what I have to do. There is a soul calling which is happening for you, starseeds. You just need to share your voice. We need you. Okay, the world needs you. You just need to share your voice, share your wisdom, share your knowledge, because being in star seeds, you are having wonderful knowledge and wisdom, ancient knowledge and wisdom, which is being stored in your DNA from your many past lives, which you are being collecting here. There is leap. You just take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. You just go first, and the universe will catch you up. Okay, so that is the message which I received. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see more messages from the energy oracle deck. What are the messages for the star seeds? Please give me the messages for the star seeds for this 1111 portal. What is the message? There is a soul calling which is happening for you. Okay, 1331 is the recording reading time. This is very important messages. You have to answer that soul calling here. You have to take the action here. Take the action, move in a forward direction, be the chariot. You know what is right, what is wrong for you. Okay, what is white, what is black. You have to take the action here. What are the messages for star seeds? Please give me the messages. There is someone around you who is trying to give you deceit. They are jealous of you, but do not worry at all. You are just completing your cycle here. 1414 was the recording reading time. That comes to 55. Again the change. Okay, whatever persons, these energies are there around yourself who is trying to deceive you, who are jealous of you, but you are just closing out the cycle with the world card. So that means you're completing that cycles, you're closing out that cycles, you're ending that cycles here. That's why the message was here that you are releasing the soul patterns, contracts and past lives. See, you are doing the unbonding, you are completing those cycles in this 11-11 portal. You are completing that cycles. Okay, so you have to keep the strength. Angel of strength is with you. You just need to keep the strength here. It just want to come out. There is a new chapter, a new journey which is going to start in your life. Maybe some of you, you're going to travel somewhere. If you are not traveling, then this is a new chapter in your life which is being started here, which is going to start here. And there is woman holding a coin. So maybe now you can handle your finances. Okay, maybe there are money opportunities which are coming up for you, and you are rising as a Queen of Pentacles. This is a Queen of Pentacles opportunities, or there is someone around you who will help you out in creating the financial abundance too. Let me see more messages for star seeds for 11-11 portal. Beautiful. Gender is not specific here, but definitely there are beautiful energies which are coming up for you. Maybe right now you cannot make a decision. There is an indecisionness. You are standing at a crossroads and you have to make a decision here, starseeds. But make a decisions, because this is the cornucopia card. Again, 11 number is here, and this is very powerful card because this is the abundance of everything. Okay, this is the abundance of everything. Abundance of love, abundance of money, abundance of financial gains, abundance of everything is cornucopia, and this is the most fortunate card in this tarot deck. Okay, so this is what you are receiving in this 11-11. Okay, so you have to make a decision. Do not feel worry and not. There is woman holding a heart. So there is a love offer which is coming up for you here, starseeds. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving. Thank you. You just need to go with the flow, make a decision. Okay, start a new chapter here. Let's see more messages for the star seeds. New beginnings are coming up for you. Daffodil Fairy is here. There is a new beginnings which are coming up for you. Please give me the messages for star seeds for 11-11 portal reading. Wow. There is fire spirit, there is renewal, and there is letting go. See, letting go is here. Spirit guardian of autumn. You need to let go anything which is not serving your highest good. You have to ask yourself what is not aligned and needs to go. Let go anything which is not aligned with your life here. Okay, you have to let go that. And the second message is there is a frog spirit. Renewal of everything is happening in your life. That is cornucopia. This 11-11 portal is bringing the renewal for you. So this is beautiful, and the fire energy is here. So you have to work on your passion. Maybe you can feel a lot of creativity, lot of passion inside of you. So work on your creativity, work on your passions right now. This is the right time to work on that, because right now you are receiving the fire energy element inside of you. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages for my star seeds. Now let me add one message from the animal spirits. Please give me one message for star seeds. Please give me one message for star seeds for this 11-11 portal. Wasp spirit. Sometimes life stings. Okay, so that's the animal spirit message which I'm receiving here for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add messages from the Gateway Oracle cards. What is the message for star seeds for 11-11 portal? Please give me message. One more. Okay. You have to do your healing the past. I step up into the future with strength and clarity. You have to heal your past here. That's the first message I am receiving. So this portal is bringing a lot of healing for you, which will help you out to heal your past. And second is planting seeds. Seeds of grace are being planted in the fertile soil of my soul. So this is beautiful message, beautiful energies which are bringing this 11-11 portal. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see messages from Chinese fortune reading cards. What are the messages for star seeds? Please give me the messages for the star seeds for 1111 portal. What is the message you want me to deliver for the star seeds for 1111 portal here? Wow, reunions. Lot of reunions are happening. This 1111 portal also means reunion of twin flames. Okay, so twin flames, soulmates. So if you are in that journey, so definitely you're going to get the reunion with your twin flame, with your soulmates here. So this is the message I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the witch's wisdoms for the star seeds. Please give me one message for the star seeds for this 1111. Okay, power, witch hat, and that says you are more powerful than you think. Enforce some authority. Someone is trying to influence you. Walk away from those who do not serve your highest interest. Reclaim your self power. Investigate your past lives to heal fears of persecutions. Okay, so you have to heal your past. That's the same message I'm receiving here from many decks here, that you are right now releasing the old soul patterns, the contracts here. Someone is around you who is not at all happy with you. Okay, they are feeling jealous. There is someone around you who is trying to give you deceit. This is lying, cheating, manipulation, deceit, and the envy, that is jealous here. Okay, so do not give your energy to this person. There is someone who is not aligned with your life, so you just need to ask yourself that anything which is not aligned my highest good, that needs to go as soon as possible from my life. So you can use this affirmation. Okay, now let me add one message from the whispers of Ganesha. Please give me one message for the star seeds. Please give me one message for the star seeds. No, I got 3. Please give me one message. Please give me one message. Okay, fine. I'll take it. They want me to deliver more than one. Fine, I'll do that. One message is harmony, and that is your solar plexus chakra here and your scleral chakra. Both are getting activated in this 1111 portal, which is bringing you encouragement, willpower, harmony here. And you need to clear your energy. Okay, this portal will clear your energy. Okay, will help you out in clearing your energy. So you have to keep clearing your energy here. So thank you for giving the messages. Let me add message from beyond Lemura. Please give me the messages for the star seeds. Add one message. I need to add one message for this. Please give me one message for all my star seeds. The violet flame. Bottom of the deck, I'm having transformation. This 1111 portal is bringing you transformation. Okay, the violet flame, let me read it out. Okay, so your psychic toolkit, you are deepening your energetic awareness, you are clearing your aura, you are creating your healthy energetic boundaries now. You can protect, you are having protection from removing trauma from your field. You can help the maintaining the high vibration. You can help, this violet flame is helping you out basically after rebalancing after the times of raised frequencies. So basically, as you can use the violet flame in creating these things in your life. Okay, and second is transformation. So this is beautiful energy for you. This energy, this portal is bringing you beautiful energies of transformation and the violet flame. So you can do the meditation on the violet flame also. So thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the angels. Please angels, give me one message. Wow, bottom of the deck I'm having angelic protection. You are not alone, star seeds. Okay, you are having the angelic protection here, and there is harmony and resolution which is coming up for you. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Let me add message from the secret tarot deck. This is the oracle deck. What is the message you want me to deliver for the star seeds? Hermit and the star. Okay, so right now this is the best time to do the soul searching. Look the answers from within yourself. Okay, the hermit is here and there is star. So this is new hopes, new desires. The healing is available for you. There is new hopes, new desires which are coming up for you here. Okay, so that is beautiful. Let me add one message from the yogic paths. Please give me one message. No, please give me one message. Bottom of the deck I'm having Anjana and there is Saraswati. Your third eye is getting activated here in this 1111 portal. So lot of chakra activation is happening here. That's why the universe is asking you to relax and rest. Okay, 2626 is the recording reading time because lot of chakra activation is happening for you. Okay, and there is Saraswati here. Let me read it out from the book. Okay, so this is the goddess of creativity, intuition and insight. Saraswati appears when you have surrendered to creativity, the endless stream that we only catch glimpse of but we can feed us for life. She is the sacred river flowing with divine wisdom, nourishing us with nectar for the soul, art, music, dance and literature. I told you that right now your fire element is very high because you are receiving the fire spirit here. Okay, the fire energy is receiving here all the star seeds in this 1111 portal. So right now you are getting the blessings of goddess Saraswati. The fire element is right now being increased in your soul. So the Saraswati appears in this moment when you think of something straight from the heavens. Okay, you can get new ideas which are flourishing you and the channeling universal wisdom. So you can channel also universal wisdom here. Okay, when you lose yourself in dance and when you become one with the music, she is the very source of all inspiration, embodying the cosmos through communication, meditation, intuition, speech and sound. Saraswati has come to you to deliver the message to pursue that creative idea with full force. You are fully supported by her blessings. That's why the message was here that you can do the sound healing because she is the goddess of art. She is the goddess of creativity, the music, the dance, the passion, the fire. And I'm receiving the basic message of all the star seeds that right now the fire energy, the fire element, the sound, the music, the dance, that will help you out a lot. So do the sound healing, do focus your energy, shift your energy towards the creativity, art, drawing, dancing, writing poems and all, because right now your fire energy has been increased in this 1111 portal here. Okay, so this is very beautiful message for all my star seeds. Okay, so let's close out this reading, okay, with one lover's oracle card. Please give me one message for the star seed. No, please give me one message for the star seeds. Too many messages. Please give me one message for the star seed. getting to. Okay, I'll take it on. Okay, so the first message for you is playfulness. Laughter is the best therapy. Have some fun together and remember, love is the greatest healer. Okay, and second message for you is when you pass from this world, you take nothing with you but your soul and the memories you have shared with those you love. So you can spend some time with your loved ones and create some beautiful memories. Okay, and have some fun together here, and because that will help you out in healing also. Be more playful here. So that's the message I'm having here for all my star seeds watching this video. So this was your reading for the 1111 portal. I hope I help you out in some manner, sending you lots of love and healing and happy beautiful energies to all my star seeds who are watching my video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.